Hi, today I want to show you a cool new feature that we introduced in our app version 2.5.1. For now, it's for DC or for DEX bots only, but it's coming to centralized exchange bots as well. So basically what you can now do, you can easily share your bot results, which is great, long time expected, right? But also, besides just the results, you can easily share your exact bot setup. Is as simple as a 6 symbols code that you can just share, and then anyone can just input this code into our app and copy your exact setup. Right? It's a great feature to share with your friends, but also if you are part of our referral and affiliate program, this is a great way to motivate and bring on more referrals and grow your referral income. So how it works is all things in with crypto, it's pretty simple. Let's say I'm running the DCA bots on Solana, and I'm running quite a few of them, and I just kind of look through them, and then I stumble upon, for example, this one, and I'm like, wow, okay, well, not only did it already earn 55 USDC, but it's actually APY. This kind of profitability annual run rate is over 900%. That's a pretty decent result, and I would like to share it with whatever, my friends, my followers. Well, in my case, that would be the subscribers to my Telegram channel, where I share my bot setups, and now it's gonna be much easier. So what do I do here? I just open this bot, and you can see now that you see this new thingy here. Under your returns, you see the share results with the cup winning. Supposedly, you've got the results to share, right? And what it does, you just click on it, and you get this basically sharing screen where you've got everything about this bot. So that's a Solana GC bot on goodcryptoX. This is the realized PNL percentage. This is the absolute realized PNL. This is the APY. More on that a bit later. This is the runtime. You can see now that it's completed 75 trades, so basically 75 take profits in a row. Is that Solana? This is the pair, the exact coin, right? It's a world USDC trading pair. You have your referral code that anyone that sees that can put into our app and become your referral, or just there is the link to our app here in the QR. If it's scanned, that it takes you to our app, and it's your referral code here. So this link, this QR contains the link to install our app or open our app with your referral code already built in, which is convenient. Right? But the most important thing here is the setup code, right? So these 6 symbols, basically, these are the ones that can be used by anyone to copy your exact setup. So before we move to that setup, let me show you also a couple cool features we built around this thing. So obviously, yes, you can share it. That will open the standard operating system share interface. So you can just copy the image if you want to paste it somewhere. You can save it if you want to use it, save it and use it later. But the thing is, like, okay, I'm looking here, right? The APY is 900%. That's actually the result that I wanted to share. Well, realized PNL is 13%. Well, it's not bad, but I've been running just 5 days. But whatever, like, this is not the headline number that I want to share. I wanted actually to share this one. Well, for this, you have the settings here. Once you open it, you can see that basically you have 3 numbers there, right? You have the realized PNL, absolute one, the percentage absolute, and the APY. And you can share all 3 or any 2 of them or just one of them. So, for example, like all I wanted to share is just APY. So I just turned those off. And you see, I now got APY, front and center, nothing. Said, okay, well, I said, well, yeah, but then I also made like $50 out of it already. Well, why didn't I share that? So realized PNL, bring it back, please. Here we go, realized PNL, APY, right? And obviously you can bring the PNL percentage back, but still get rid of realized PNL. if, for example, you just, you realized PNL is 90%, but you just made $1 on that, maybe $1, maybe you don't want to share that, so you can just stick with the percentages anyway. So this tool gives you this flexibility, right? Okay, so this is about the sharing. And obviously this is now in our DCA bot and GEMS sniper bot indexes. Well, but now let's see how this code actually works, right? The setup code. So it's quite easy. So whoever chooses to use it, it doesn't need actually these dashes. It's just PVU2DC. That's it, right? The six symbols rather, right? Well, it doesn't matter if they're capitalized or not. Just remember these six symbols, right? PVU2DC. It's gonna be enough. If you want to share it separately, actually there is a cool hack. Again, here you probably already noticed it in the settings. Where are my settings? Yeah, in the settings you have it here, right? So just copy, and now I've copied the setup. So let's say I've actually shared the setup with someone saw my setup on Twitter. They open goodcrypto app, and they come to decentralized exchanges, and they don't really even, it's a DCA bot, but they don't really even should bother about it, because, well, even if they are, here on the default page, which is whatever, open show swap or limit order, now there is this thingy here, which is kind of like a download thingy or upload, I don't know, whatever it is. It's basically that's how you download the setup, right? So you just go here and you just paste it, right? These six symbols. And voila, you see it's switched to DCA, see DCA world. So it actually brought up the exact coin, so you don't need to share actually the contract address. It's much tighter. And yes, all my settings are in here, which is, looks, it's kind of magically, right? I really like this feature. Yeah, so that's it, right? So this is in essence this feature. I'll just show you that also works for snipers in the same way, right? So let's switch into sniper bot. Well, I have a lot of them, but these are my test bots, so you can see they're not super profitable. You just I run them pretty much randomly. I have some, well, it's more about testing yet rather than running them profitably. Okay, this one, okay, it had a pretty decent APY of 2000%. Why don't I share that? Right, so you see in details we have the same, exactly the same as with DCA. You have the share results thingy, absolutely the same. It just says now Solana Sniper bot. It's the coin I'm spending. Basically, I don't know which coins I'm buying. It buys random coins, so it's not here. But this is the profitable trades that it's completed. 7. Same referral code link, and now the same setup code, right? And in the same way, I'm gonna copy it. Just notice the name of my bot here, and here now I'm looking at DCAs. I'm entering this new setup. Up switch to sniper. I have all the parameters from my bot copied right here. But notice that the bot name is a generic, that's an auto bot name that is just created out of this, automatically out of these filters, right? It's the coin age plus plus 3 more filters. So this is done to preserve your privacy, to preserve your bot name. So wherever name you give to your bot, it's not gonna, you're not gonna share that. So you can do whatever you do there and still share the stops. Yeah. So this, just one more thingy. Just, I don't know if that's super useful, but besides sharing results from here, same functionality as here. So share here we'll do absolutely the same, right? Okay, this one you don't want to share, right? But anyway, yeah. So again, this is the cool way to share to brag about your great bots, share your setups with your friends or followers, and grow your referral income in goodcryptoX. And again, for now, it's available for DCA and Sniper bot on decentralized exchanges. And the next app release is going to come to Grid and DCA bots for centralized exchanges as well. Thank you for watching. See you next time.